it. Hey guys. God no, my son's what's up? I'm not so beautiful. Hey guys. I'm not so like an artist. Hold on. Hello, my people. This is Abbi. Yeah, that's a she. That's a she. Hello, guys. Hello. How are you guys? How are you guys? Oh my Jesus Christ, I'm tired right you. I'm tired bad. I'm tired. God no. So guys, imagine outside I'm supposed to there, you know, outside good girl supposed to there, and guess what? It cancels. So good girl say make she come live to our mad people them. So I just like up the video and so can make the on it for maybe a half hour or so. Depends. So welcome people, how are you guys? Hi, and a good girl there, and a good girl is here. Yeah. Well, I'm so nice upon this, because I can't sit on my phone. Thank you. I'm going to try and fix it up myself. Yeah, guys, so what I deal with? A long time, Jesus Christ, up 2023. Yeah, my first video, first live. Yeah, girl, this is she. Yeah, guys, so. I'm bored, I don't even know. I'm in a bored, I'm bored bad. I'm bored right show. I don't have nothing to do. God, now I will pass this. One of the people, I try to no comments on this. Because I can't see on my phone. So people, what a good girl here. First live for 2023. Yeah, girl, that's a shit. What good. What's new? Oh, no, say what's new? Oh, no, what come here, so what's new? Everything new. Everything. But I don't find a new man yet though. I don't find a new yet. Remember the man left me also, you know. So I don't find a new man yet. God no. When I like up the live stream, people, like up the live stream. Yeah. Yeah, but you, no, remember, if you don't know, the boy left me right through. I'm telling you on the next channel, the boy left me right through. So no, I'm not a new man yet. God no. So I'm there bored. As I say, I'm supposed to go to, you know, but it get cancelled. So I'm talking to my mad people them, because a long time I don't see my live also, so I do this phone now. Yeah man, everything will fall in place due to time. I got me a trust. Yeah man, you have to just trust the process. You know the boy never want me again. I'm have to just accept that. Yeah. And well if God but never know something again left now. Choo, but the things of your atters. But the things of your atters, but talk it. When you stop thinking too much, allow that to put yourself at a standard. Tell yourself that, oh, no boy can't left for now. Don't be a me. But yeah, who knows can do better than me. Yeah. Oh, life, what's say life a bit my bad? Life a bit my bad right through, but you know, some have to still stay focused and do what I have to do. Because as a life stay, you know, you gotta have those struggles, but it's up to you if you know, you have to know how to manage the struggles and go through until better come. Yeah, man, that's how we have to do it sometimes. I would, I'm call out to the name Dirty Tears. Look, oh, you look happy. I'm happy, man. I'm happy. If you don't, remember, you know, I done go through the whole heap of crying and everything, you know, people. I done ball out me and them. So now a healing process, I'm kind of move past certain stages, so that's why I glow a little bit. Yeah, man, I say, you know, say it's a process thing. Yeah. When it just happen, you go ball and so, but, you know, in due time, you go move past it. That's how life go. Yeah. Yeah, man, millionaire. I go search and heal. Yeah, I not search, I go heal and focus on myself. Yes, people, I'm gonna do skits soon, but I just the time because I'm so busy. Like, I'm extremely busy. Busy. When I say busy, I'm extremely busy. But you know, when time I have the local chance, I am gonna try and push content for you. Because I know the artists I can push the content them. Once me in a comfortable stage, you know, say the good girl, the hot girl, the writer say she, I gotta drop the content them phone. I'm not ask. God no. Yeah, girl. I just say. Why my cash up? Yes, everybody dirty tears. After I remember, I think Abbi's madness. Yeah, right, this is she. Yeah, guys, so I want to just ask questions, like, because I don't know, I don't really know if I talk on this, so I just ask, I don't know if I ask the question, them, I'm going to answer truthfully, if I feel like, because sometimes I tell a lie, you know. No, God, no, everything I don't know, sometimes I tell a look alike, I'm used to, I tell a look alike, yeah. You miss the skits, them? The skits them I come back now when I say the skits them I come back. I just need to settle in look more because as I say, you know I'm just moving, so I'm still a second. Like, you know I say the place I come on look a bit, but it's a work in progress. I say go. I say go. I work in progress. yeah, right, this is she. How is my child? I want to get put in the... Oh, my son 7. My son, alright, you know. 7 for all. Everybody who did I ask for 7, they probably never watch the video, them good. 7 is with my friend. I still go for him, you know, but right now, I just like a second first before I take my son. Yeah, man, you know, say, mother for different from them people them first, and then after, you know, she second, she grab back her pain. I say, I have to do sometimes, New characters are going in the skits them. I'm not sure. It depends on my mind because I don't know. I just sit down and things just dropping them in and I just write. That's how I do. New characters might come. Yeah, more than likely new characters might drop in there. Because that's some mistake. Yeah. Yeah, man. What's for the... Oh, no, say one time alone, my name from morning. No, on the talk truth. God know. I don't want to put in the too far. God know people. When I say I get slimmer, so come. Remember, you know, when I remember, say the boy done they mad me and make me suck down right through, you know. But I don't know, say, I don't really mind look suck down and so, because a long time I check it have to look away, you know. God know it have to take a man for mad before look away come over me. When I say my big ass sad in a foreign. No, God no, talk truth. So now that the weight is off me, I am going to try and, you know, keep it off. So, you know, if I not get one thing good out of the breakup, I saw, I get the weight loss. So, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Yeah. How is life in America, girl? Boy, as I say, life is beating me bad. Oh, you know, say, America is nice, you know? I mean, it's nice with the opportunities and so, but God know you work. You have to work. Yeah. I mean, I tell you, mad girl, I tell you. It's not nice. Opportunities are here, but you gotta work. You gotta like work. Some people might have it easy, but for some people like me also, yeah, you gotta work for that shit. So, yeah, man. Yeah. Oh, I'm in Florida right now, guys. I'm there Florida. But if I tell you exactly what I'm there. Yeah, man, I'm there Florida. Panama. Most I want to see me already, you know. If I want to see me, I'm there Panama City Beach. Yeah. Over there, so I'm there. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, so I just ask the question and I'm going to answer because I don't know how long I'm going to stay upon this. How are you today? You know, some... God know I'm hungry, you know. I'm hungry today. No, I'm thinking about it at one time. I don't know if I'm mad in a girl. Who just asked me? See, when I move too speedy. God know. At one time I eat. I'm hungry right now. I don't know if I eat though. And then as I say, I watch the look away. I know what put on my look away, you know. I don't. I really don't. So I try and I want my corner. So as I say, the boy, I get something out of the relationship, out of the breakup. I get weight loss. Yeah. Want my email address? Tears. You know my number, Tears? My email address. Me link you. You know my number? Leave me on Instagram. Anyways, what about cooking videos? I'm gonna do cooking videos soon, guys. As I say, I'm busy, but you know, when I get the chance, I just do what I can do. So when I just go and all out any content I can get, I just grab and show go, you know, and you know, just go and all out. Yeah. Can't tell them certain things, so certain questions I'm not gonna answer. But yeah, just know say me I put in the work. Me I put in the work. Like, but even have time for myself. I can't vlog. I can't vlog in my life. Only look a bit of chance I get to do little thing and thing. That's why the vlog ever chop up. God no. But not even have time for people. Not even sleep. I have time for a show or no. One of the things over here so nice. As I said, the opportunities are so over here, but you gotta work. You gotta work. Yes, so I don't have time for myself really. So when time I do me, I do know I'm cycling, I'm decide say, alright, now I'm gonna take a little break and so. Yeah, when I might see me often. But for now, just bear with me, please bear with me. I still actually push the content in phone, even though I am busy. So just bear with me, please. Bear with me. I the same number you have, Tears. If I the same number you have, me text you. I forgot looking at my old phone because most of the number them in my old phone. Oh, in a labor, Jada, what you doing in a labor and up on live? Stop me distracted, girl. Go and go push out the baby, have a safe delivery. Push, girl. Push. Push, girl. Yeah, them say you have to have an for your foot so you know. And you have to make sure say, God no, I don't know a girl, I never yet have a child. But push, breathe in and out, and then you push, and then you listen, follow instructions, and you will be fine. Good luck. It's a boy, like God, girl you bless. Girl you bless. God know. I know my favor, you know. I know my favor. You see, when you push him out, take a picture and send me on the gram. I'm going to say, yeah, girl, I'm going to tell you, the baby I'm going to look like you. Yeah, but I'm going to tell you, you know, me's a genie. I know things. A genie know the future. Look, I know. And a genie know the future, I know somebody else. Yeah, guys, so, but they here. Yes, NPP, inhale and exhale. Jada, as I say, have a safe delivery. Don't make me distracted too much, focus on the pushing. God no, I don't know how to do it. I have to big up the woman, never have pitney, you know. I don't know what things woman I forgot you. No. God no, every time I hear about them, something I'm afraid, I'm nervous. No, imagine me, you know, when I'm mad. Imagine good girl, no, don't know me, no, don't watch me also. Imagine good girl time, no, forget have pain. No, man. Imagine me. God know what kind of husband I have. Because if I have the husband, you know, before me push out pain, I'm not going to no parents, boy. So that's so good girl, I got stay now. And if I have on the man, so you know, I have all the boy chest, so you know, because I have to make sure I'm the right, so I'm hanging up on the boy chest, you know. I went to the doctor, said, put up your foot here, and then the doctor said, push, you know, say good girl, I could go on extra. Because you know, some down there, so look a bit and tit. You know, say down there, so look a bit and tit, so I go on extra, and so, because I go, yeah, that bust me up, so I'm for doing, I have to be a bed. I go be a bed. Ooh, I know when I'm my time, I go be a bed. Nobody can hold me. When I go push, I hopefully I triple it and so call one time more and go and that's it. God know. God know. Now for choo. I picture myself enough time, I picture myself a whole lamp on my husband, so one lamp on his chest, so I you know, picture myself, just grab him so. I saw me I could grab him. Yeah, I'm just cock up so when the doctor said push her so I'm that pan. Yeah, I'm gonna try my best not to make that sound, but yeah. I go push, I go do it. Yeah, man, I can't wait for my... I can't wait for myself. God no. I can't wait. Like, patience, but I gotta feel like I find the right person first. Yeah. Even though you know, so them boy are tricky sometimes, you know, them come in our life, and they make us say, yeah. No, man, the boy, I mean, have the boy a baby. Yeah. Have the boy a baby. I want to have the baby now, somebody different. Yeah, them look at some of them afraid, I know, because, like, come on, many women have forgot to them shit here, and, you know, God know, do to all life for run my mad. And I can't take them stress there. I can't but I forgot to that, I forgot to find the boy now and doing something. I can't go to no more stress, so I say, remember now I don't go to man left already. Why I forgot to another summer now, baby left? I cannot do it. I will hurt people. Hey, come on, yo. People want to talk to me. Oh, go on. What you got, mother? Abbi? Three one time. I say more one time I go so. And the doctor said, put more, I'm not for the doctor more and how much I come out. Me want know some know say a tree I come out. So when time I go so boop and so, and the doctor said push and so and the baby come out, you know. She said, oh, it's a boy or it's a girl. And then she said one day something will come out and she said, no girl, I want to sit down here so. And then she realized that one day one will come out. And she said, nurses. And so I go push again. I went and she push out her so. And she take the baby and I said, oh girl, you're having twins. Pity she don't know say, I thread them in there. So I'm going to say again and whoop. And the next extra I don't know, faint, she go faint. I faint, she go faint right through. Yeah. Maybe you catch her half guard, unexpected. Yeah man, I saw more and go. I saw more and push out the bit. I saw more push out. No. Fun and joke aside, I be a laugh too much. Yeah man guys, I see what's something I talk. I saw more about you one time. Because I got so much time. Yeah, I wanna go on there. I don't know. As I say, I wanna big up the woman them. Mothers wanna big up on herself because wanna go through it, wanna do nothing and wanna bless. God know, wanna strong. Cause God know, wanna strong, wanna strong. Anyways, how are you guys though? All been like how is school? Like kids that are in all school are going like how the new year phone in a school. Why? School must stress out. I know. I'm glad I school I couldn't take it. Yeah? Cause them people nowadays in a school, I'm afraid I don't know. God know I'm afraid I don't know. But anyways guys, ask no question because I'm so come because I'm hungry. I want something to eat for a man, no, I'm hungry, just a little me. I forgot to say my app. I want to leave them rotten. Raw pine. Yeah. Right? Jenna, I don't think I can manage one enough, but guess what, I have to try. Because once I have my husband, I have to give him it. I want some, one time my pin come out and so. I want my pin look like me. I look for my pin and I say, oh my God, watch my twin. Watch my twin, look at you. And if I'm more than one, you know, one of them can favor the father. Just one of them. But the rest of two of them have to look like me. Yeah, because my mama beautiful, you know. Some more I'm putting them have my looks. My mama beautiful. Some more I'm putting them have my looks. Yeah, true. Ladies, remember how to eat the pineapple? Eat up on the pineapple because you know the pineapple good for the coochie. Bumbleclad. Pineapple good for the coochie, so I have to eat up on the pineapple. Yeah. Maybe I know. I said the next man will grab me, man. When I'm driving out, so I go so. I must say, girl, I want to marry you. I'm going to say, you're sure? And I say, yeah, girl, I want to marry you. I'm going to say, you're sure? Because I never ask me, no. I'm not, come trick me, no. I'm going to say, you're sure? And I'm going to say, yes, beautiful. And I said, okay, I do. And put it on my left right there, so. Yeah. Anyways, what time is it? Because I know no 1 hour ahead of me. So our life, guys. I'm not talk to me now. I want to say the question and I want to say the things them. Because I can't sound up on my phone, so I have to look down on the laptop. What happened to my best friend at Jamaica? My best friend they bought. Me and my three girl at Jamaica. Me and my 3 girl, them still good, man. Them they both. Yeah, man, still keep the link. I'm a girl them that even though I don't like them sometimes, because them full of friends, yeah. Jesus Christ, me hate the girl them sometimes. Come here, say no man, I don't full of too much friend. God know I want full of so much friends, so. But you know I'm a girl them, so yeah. Look guys. As I said ladies, remember to eat up on a pineapple because you know the pineapple good for the coochie. Yeah. Yeah man, I'm here putting it on. How are this? If I miss Jamaica, Jesus Christ. I say I miss the food them. I say I miss the food, I can go down the road and say, serve. Serve, beg you one cause there, please. I beg you a bag of cause. You know them look weird, eh? Yeah, man, I can walk go down and Miss Chin. I say, Miss Chin, give me a banana chips, please. Ooh, them something I can't do over here. Yeah, no, over here, my love. All long since me there, I don't need to catch up with it. I'm not telling you. I'm coming like, going to now watch my vlog. I'm not telling you certain things. I'm going to now watch my vlog, them, so I'm not follow up. I'm not telling you. Go watch the vlog, them. Go watch the follow up, them. Yeah. What else? You don't watch it. Go and watch it. You don't. Else you don't know. When you talk to me now, I still come off of this now when you talk to me, because I know I don't have school and I work for go. I have day off so I can't argue. Yeah. Yeah, people wanna like up the live. Watch out, so much people up and no, like up the live, people, like up the live. And that's the questions them. Boy, people I don't know, I'm missing sometimes, you know, more day I do, and then I say, man, no man. I start thinking, I say, who me can post some mad people them. I don't even know some thing what on hard, you know. My thing what on hard. You not believe me? You not believe me for church? No man, I'm here telling you, you know, I'm here telling you, for me to come from me. God know, and all the time, I don't believe me, you know, because I lie sometimes. But yeah, true, that one, I true, me, I tell you, I'm missing you sometimes, God know. How did I get over the pressure? Me bumble clad. How did I get over the pressure? Me right. I'm telling you the process. Cause this is how me get over it. Alright. I'm just find out say, you know, the boy, you know, get woman permit. I'm telling you, say the boy disappear and I become a stalker upon the boy phone and all that. You know. Like, I never know someone could stalk a man in my life. No, for true. I did not know. Like, even if I stalk a man, I did not expect it to be, you know, that person there. You know, because I never see it coming. It catch me off guard, as I say. Because as me I say, we had a plan and I put in the work and you know, we had what we were supposed to do. But while me there, I make plans with boy did they have, you know, plans in the back of female for do what I do after. You know, certain moves make. Anyway, so when I become a stalker, I tell you some ball. I say I'm ball, I never know someone could have ball over man. So not even when my mother did dead. No, I tell you like, I be serious with not even when my mother did dead, my ball so. But after when my mother did dead, my mother dead when I'm young, so I still not even understand, say, you really not gonna see her back, you know, so I never really understand life until, you know, I started upon Uncle Media, I see Mother's Day come up and people and share them mother, them time, that shit let me, you know. So them some way I'm trying my best to stay for the media when it come on to certain things. Anyways, I get over the pressure, I ball every day. As I say, I attempted the S word. Thankfully, by the grace of God, it never happened because while I attempt them, I have to sit down and talk to God and I say, God, I really going to do this over somebody. You know, I talk to God. That's how I need to try and build a relationship with God because when I understand, say, no matter how much you put out on the hand and people will pretend well, and if them not pretend, they will switch up by you, and you just have to just breastfeed. It's a go hot, cause I'm telling you, I'm mad, mad. It's going to be hard because, as I said, I do not have, I don't really have nobody else, you know. So that's why it kind of took me. It did tell me hard. I not go ahead and talk like. I say in my head, I'm and the boy I got there forever, amen, you know. So I am alone, they really have in my circle until, you know, him just ditch me. And, you know, another left part where I feel like it's the betrayal that I just feel betrayed, you know, if you know some daddy. All along, I struggle and, you know, as soon as, you know, things work out, you know, the person say, alright then, it was nice. Not even nice, it was nice, not even that. Zoop! Gone, disappear, out of here. Wish I'm out of here. So I cried a lot and I talk to people. You know, so when I start talking to people now that they kind of take a look at the stress off of me because I start open up. And as I start, I end up open up to somebody and then they use it back for me. Somebody start close it. But they close back in. So the close, I go close back in now. The depression and everything start build up back, which did make me start think. But it start, when I start thinking, that's how I keep on telling you, stop fuck with people's feelings, you know. Stop frigging with people's feelings. Because the things they want me to that think are some devilish, evil shit. I'm gonna have to talk to God and ask God to remove them evil thoughts out of my head. That's why as my son, I need to build a relationship with God, because if I never did have my little relationship with God, I probably would have found the boy and go so pow, pow. You know what? No, choo-choo. Choo-choo. Like, I never did think I could get over it, but by the grace of God, I managed to get over it. Because I talked to my big up my sister, my Christian sister, she try and keep me company. No matter how much I vent and tell her, say, girl, I feel like I eat this. I just start anything so. And then she asked me if I eat it. She talks sense to me. And she tell me, say, everything is going to be alright. I just listen to her because she was my actual, I felt like she was my little counselor at the time. So yeah, that's how I actually get over the look of depression. I go through it. I want to say I prank this. I went on my person, a Gaza Nation, what is prank? I'm not even was on a good girl the other day. On a good girl, like, look how most of them know Abbi's madness again. When I forgot watch, but look at all video them. I see what some of me are telling the people. Depression is not a nice thing, and as I say, I want to stop hurting people. That shit is not nice. Like as I say, when you know want a relationship with people, when you allow them alone. Stop leading on people because of the leader and the leader on people now. Are the messed up part because they don't know and themselves, so they know what people are going to lead them on. Just for food and benefits. No do them shit there. Them shit that will get on the earth. Alright. No man, I'm strong. As I say, mentally I'm getting better. I'm still a healing. I am still healing because as I say, it was unexpected and it's still, of course, the betrayal still hard. Because at the end of the day, just the betrayal just freaked me up. It messed me up. You know, and at first I actually experienced, you know, for those the boy was my actually first, like, real boyfriend. Yeah, that's why it kind of licked me so. Yeah, man. It is hard, but I managed to go through it and pray. When I have to pray. Like, when I have to sit down and talk to God, like, when I have to do that shit. When I have to say, God, take me out of that situation. And God, just remove all of them negative thoughts. God, just give me the strength to go through with life. When I have to talk to God. When I have to talk to God, that's why I say build a relationship with God. Build a relationship with God. That's what I did, and that's why I was able to get over this depression. I mean, I'm still in my healing phase, but, you know, I'll get better. I know I'm strong, you know. I'm strong. I'm not things me go through. Most of them not even know half of me go through. But you know, certain things I'm not going to really bring on the media. Even this, I never did want to bring on the media. But as I said, I realized that the boy I did purposely hurt me. And then I keep on ask, like, I could hide it no more. You know, I try to cover it up as long as possible, but the disrespect and hurt and everything, I could not keep inside. I have to just make you know what is what, so I can move on in peace. That's when I can stop questioning me and ask me what such person today. Well, why I'm for saying I'm not gonna say nothing? How can you want to say something when you're in the wrong? I'm not gonna say nothing. I'm just gonna make the situation die out and move on with life. That's how it is. You know, I'm not need to say nothing. What am I gonna say? Basically, I'm gonna come tell you what I tell you, and maybe I'm gonna tell you the lie. Is either one of them. You know. Alright, tears in the late. If I see him, nobody have me text you. Yeah, guys, so that's how I was able to move past the depression shit. It is hard, but, you know, I move past it. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Build a relationship with God, and uno shall be good. Yeah, I mean, Abbi and Kepo don't know. Like, they done. They done. I don't know, as I don't know what will take place with that channel, eh? I certainly know so we're not, so we're back on it together. That I know for a fact. Yeah, that's that. People have to understand, say, when people hurt, you know, Alright, you're not gonna feel hurt, but at the same time, you don't have to hate the person, but you don't have to just know, so you have to keep on a distance. Especially when them purposely hurt you because them know them you have a soft heart. Because my heart is very soft and that keep on mess me up and make people walk over me. You know, if my bad also, you know, but the heart what me have, like people use that and try and walk over me. But you know, I'm mad. So when I realize say them I do it too much, like my madness come out and you know, I do what I have to do and I say what I have to say and you know, make my decision step away from them. I say I have to do it. You know? Oh, I take it seriously at times because it's just naturally funny. It's just absolutely goofy. Thank you, Andre. Yeah, but yeah, guys, that's what I had to go through. It's sad. I mean, people are gonna break up, you know. People are gonna break up, but for the things that was other people break up for, and we wouldn't expect for do the things that wanna shock us. We're not gonna say, boom, but then I saw the person is there, and I saw the person is there. Yes, guys, and everything what I see on social media is always glitter. Coming from a YouTuber, yes, everything is not always glitter. We're not going to show you guys like real situation unless you know it actually catch on camera and them something there. Because myself, boy, I used to go out with myself, you know, I used to go out with my actual self, you know. When used to come for me. Like when you used to come to me, I said, no girl, you need to behave better, but how can I behave better when you never did know me after I go through? So I'm so hungry inside and everything. What I couldn't know. I'm not blame you know. But I hope I get a look at understanding about my behavior. And I try my best not to make people draw me out. As soon as I see like a dirty boy or a dirty girl I try to draw me out, I try to move from the situation. Because my head mad enough. Because if them draw me out too much, I'm gonna what's my cat doing over here because I don't want to get locked up in a foreign. I don't want to get locked up in a foreign. Ooh. So as soon as I see them try to draw me out, because them know some me war, walk away from situation because the devil come for destroy or sometimes the devil use the crisis them come and destroy when I figure up in the life. Them know say when we get draw out, so them try and person and person and person. No pay them no mind, walk away from the situation. Walk say dirty devil boy. How we are trying to use a dirty boy and a dirty girl for draw me out, it's not gonna happen. In the name of Jesus, it's not gonna happen. And just walk away. I don't have to do it now. Because it's a war about me, we war, you know. But I have to learn to walk away. It's a learning process, guys. I'm learning. Yeah, man, I'm a strong ass. Yeah, guys. Yeah, you have to trust in our Lord. Big up yourself, God. I don't have to big up God every time. But as I say, I grace of God, I never do certain things. I the grace of God, I never turn mad man. When you see me, I walk up and down in my panty road. And you know me love shake up my body, so already me I walk up and down and shake my body road. God no. Yes, soft answer turn it away right. I said the right. That word there. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so yeah, man, that's basically a good girl I had to go through, and as I say, I'm healing, and that's good. My past through the worst. Yeah, my past through the worst. I passed through the worst. Yeah. My past through the worst, man. I got no idea hard, but I made it. I made it. My past through it. Yeah. So guys, any more questions? Because I'm not going to stay on it long. I'm not going to stay on it long. God knows stay on it long. We can't stay on it long either way. Any more questions, guys? You know, look at that bad door. Who text me? Dirty Jody, why you text me? Stop texting me, dirty girl. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to post back for Abbi and Kepo. I'm not sure. Like, I'm honestly not sure. But I know that me and him now going to on the channel. That me know for a fact. So, I don't know. If I take me one day, I sit down and think about things good and decide what I do. If not, I just leave the channel as it is. Because I have my own channel focus, but I'm so busy. So, I don't have time. Guys, I don't really use Snapchat. I use my Instagram, which me even barely have time for. Instagram, YouTube. Sometimes I look at TikTok. I say people. But TikTok video since then. People must say, well, who go follow me on TikTok? How many name on TikTok? Abbi's Madness. I think Abbi's Madness. My name on TikTok are Abbi Attaz. Abbi with an I. Yeah. Most of people may go drop some TikTok tomorrow or Thursday. I don't know, but I just want to go TikTok and so I want to see it. A pure madness over there. Because I don't know, say me mad so you know. So I don't know, say me not post nothing sensible. I don't know me not post nothing sensible. Oh, yes, because I'm working so hard. Like, I'm so busy. I don't even have time for myself. I don't even have time for use the bathroom good. That's how busy I am. Not for choo-choo. That one a biggie, man. God no, I'm pum not need so much. Not right now. I don't like it I use up. So how are you guys? How are you guys? When you not talk to me, when you ask me the question, I still come up, you know. I still come up. I just didn't want to come on live, like for the first live for 2023. And just telling the hi. And as I say, I'm bored and you know, I have a little time now, so I'll try and make the best of it. I couldn't get from making a video because I was supposed to go out earlier. However, that did not work out, so that's why I'm say alright then. I'm gonna go on live and make it up. So I want to see some I try. Yeah man, because normally I make videos for them day, yeah. But couldn't do it, so I'm come for say hello everybody, hello. Yeah. You guys are doing okay, that's good. Because you know, like, we know say life a bit most of it bad. So we just have to go and focus and just push, you know, and believe. You know, and we'll reach what we want to reach one day, hopefully, by the grace of God. Yes, I was supposed to go out on a date. A date as in a girl's date. Because I don't have no man to go out with, nobody not ask me. Well. But I go with certain man. I look like I'm 8 man right now. God know I'm 8 man right now. Well, yeah. I mean, if a boy ask me really and truly, and I'm in the mood, maybe I go on a local date also. Maybe, because if I food, why am I for refuse? I don't know me love my belly. So if the boy tell me say I'm going to bring me to eat something, why am I for say no? Why am I for really say no? Well, so if I see food, oh, I say dash it. Dash it. Yeah guys, so yeah, that's why I'm here now. Whenever I get a chance to go out. And as my boy text the girl and I say, yeah, girl, I'm ready. Oh, look. I say the girl can't. So I say, Jesus Christ. And then I say, no girl. No girl, for morning, everything I mess up. So that means say, everything I'm for a reason, man. You can't really question God. So I gotta work it that way. God know I will go out that time, yeah. Because maybe some bad mind I say why you stay in. And I still come and try and you must stay positive. Yeah. I still come try and stay positive, man. God know I'm go out the road today. Say make me stay in. I know I'm staying. I'm here talk to what people about. Yeah. Yeah. No guys, I'm not gonna cheat. Why am I even as I say I do not know what's gonna happen to that channel. But for now, I focus on my channel and my shit. Oh, I don't focus on man. As I said before, I am not going to build no relationship again with no man. Because when I realize so many women fall victim for this shit, like you're there, you struggle with the boy them. You struggle, and as soon as them feel like say, yeah, I saw them want to reach and them reach this, so now it's like, you know, you don't mean nothing to them no more, like. Yeah, man, I say go. That girl, I say me there on live. I'm telling a dirty girl here. Yeah, man, I say I got like so many women fall to this shit, and me have to ask like, who no man, why wanna keep on do this? You know, some have some nice woman out there, but take care of them man also. Struggle with them man also. As soon as the man them reach where they want to reach, them say, alright, you no longer, you no longer, yeah, you not fit my standard now, so I can't stay with you. Enough woman fall, go through this shit. Like, and it's sad, but that's just life. It's sad, but that's just life. I'm glad I can make you guys laugh. That's what I'm here for. Charlene, stop freaking text me and call me now. She not hear me now. She not up on my life. She not text her and call me. Fuck up cut on my good life and me I talk to you now. Without out of herself. Child, me cuss her now. Why does she know me cuss her? But yeah guys, that's my aim. You know, this is a comedy channel. I try my best to put out content. Somebody comment and say something I need to change up like them say I need to change up like me do things because them don't know when them me I be serious or me I be for real. No. Not the same thing that you damn fool. Them don't know if me I be serious or me I run joke. And me I say, sweetie, this is a comedy channel and me have to expect antics and all them something here. And most of the time I don't really not gonna know if me I be serious or run joke. But when them actual serious time, we're not going to know some serious because certain things like, you know, we're not going to know. Yeah. So, that's that. I know say God have somebody away from me, so I know. God, I say you think I look at that time, I talk to, you think I look at that time, I say God, make sure say I have somebody up there, you know. Make sure say I have somebody up there, you know. If I even when I'm angel, I'm going to train somebody, buddy. I say go to Abbi, go. Can't offer that. God, because I offer that. Send one of your good angel and fling at somebody, buddy, also. No, man. It's been a while. I need to feel the love again. I need to feel it. I want to grab somebody's son. I got some... I have somebody's son playing on my ear and kiss up on my neck and them nice over there. What's up, I'm jealous of what they say? I'm jealous of when I get them some here. And Jesus Christ, what you know? I don't know what I hide. Because Valentine's Day right this way, you know. I don't know what I'm going to hiding. I'm going to hiding because I don't want to, you know. I just side up on my phone and I say, what you know? I can't put about a man by this. Both. She didn't even stay good, but go class I'm a but I'm jealous, and I don't tell. I'm jealous and bad mind in a moment. Because I'm not nobody, you know, not understand. I'm not nobody, so I'm go bad mind, you know. No, I put yourself in my shoes, no. I don't have nobody, I'm so no good man. I go to prison to them somebody. I say I go eat for uno. Chance I can't wait for some uno. Because a girl that don't look good. Like I say, I don't cheap somebody empire. I say go ahead. Cause no. That's on the right shoe. Oh, we don't want soda. We are coming for social media many times. We don't want soda for sure. God no. I'm not telling you what I do. I am not going to send myself flowers. How dare I do something like that? That is not real. That is not real. Why would I do something like that? Thanks, yeah? I would never do something like that. Thanks, yeah, good. You want some pineapple? Go on a shop, go buy it. You know how long me I search for pineapple, I couldn't find it. I'm finally again. Girl, yeah man, I got a list. Go on there. You can't get none. Go and get your one pineapple for your own pum pum. This pineapple is for my pum pum. Oh shit. That's special for me. Ciao. I say God I feel right look a love story because him can't let me go through all of this. Him can't let me go through all of this. I say look what I say. You think I look what I say? No, God, you know. Hey, I'm probably tired of me. I said the man probably tired of me. But I not stop bother you. I go always bother you. You know this. Yeah. Him know, I not talk to him. Know. You know that. Of course we do, you know. So I have to tell them, say you know. Yeah. I saw it sometimes. You have to talk to him, you have to tell him what you want. Ask that it shall be given, don't. And that is say, so me I tell him, say, send for the man also. Say it I got be given to me, though. Yeah, so me be patiently waiting. But I just don't want to know breath in my face for Valentine's. Because I say, whoa, that don't look good. I want to know. My bad mind, you know? My bad mind will come out to the, whoa. Yeah. You're single too? Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club, and I'm here alone. But tell you pay one, because I shall find a man before Valentine's. I go find one. Yeah. Never find one between that. Only let you be one chocolate answer to me go find a man. I say, I don't watch the boy ask me for a date, I'm going to turn them down. Why am I turn down the boy them? Because I probably pum them one. Imagine me that, hey, I don't know how long I hold out for the boy. I said, I hold out for the boy. So, you know, hold out in that vein. Dear me, I made you see, come like me at the dirt with them plant, yeah, me now. Me at the dirt with them plant, yeah, me now. No, sir, when I really think about some things where you do for man. When we could have dash it down to somebody, we could dash it, there's somebody there waiting and hold out. God, boy, now knows the boy there at dash him. Ting-a-ling. But fret not. Someone is coming for you. Someone is waiting for you. Fret not. Jesus Christ, I want my kids now watch. I am so sorry. My pants, me I talk about. If any kids are watching, I'm talking the pants. Like somebody asked me when I get that. Yeah, because I name a pineapple now, leading up to Valentine's. Because, boy, I can't even talk certain things from this. Remember, kids may be watching me, you know, so I'm trying my best not to, like, talk certain things. Yeah, me no want talk certain things. But eat up a pineapple from now, leading up to Valentine's. Worse if... Come right, that's a girl. Worse if your partner... You know me I talk about. Yeah. Where's my partner do that? Girl, when him taste the pineapple. Yeah. He's going to taste the pineapple in your mouth. For the kids that's watching. Yeah, that's a shit. Yeah, man, you have to do them because somebody else only for yeah. Yeah, guys. Yeah, man. Eat up a pineapple from now. Now leading up to Valentine's Day. I work out, you know. You need to work out and so okay. When to Valentine's Day and you know when I go and look yourself so you look well firm up and I talk certain things because kids might have watch. I apologize. No man, but a bedtime over there now after 8 one of the door. Yeah. Kids are sleep them time, yeah, man. Don't. Parents of the kids watching, don't make them watch me because my mom might sleep because I live this, you know, I can't edit out, you know. No, my mom look at me bad same way, you know. Sorry. Remember, I'm working on my mouth because my mouth is very bad. But I'm trying my best. I am trying my best. Yeah, I got extra. My typical like me working. When I'm on camera, I am working. Yes, I am working. I ain't got time for myself. I'm just always busy. That's why I wanna say like I can't get a little go-to note time when I say go-to note. Yeah man. Can't get a little go-to note time with my girl them. Yeah, I'm grab a girl, I'ma say girl, we're going out. Yeah man, just like the last vlog, I'ma grab a girl. I say yeah girl, we'll go out. Oh, we're supposed to go out tomorrow too, you know, so I might get a little vlog. Might. I'm not sure. Might. Maybe. I want thing though. Yes. Spell what? What for spell? I don't know what I'm going to put in the spelling basic. Go on, yeah. Anyways, guys, that's up on the question because I'm so come after this. Yeah, I am too. Welcome to the club, but you all want to stay here because me shall find a man before Valentine's. If I have a look of fun with. Oh, hey. I want somebody to kiss on my neck and them somebody. I want them whisper in my ears and say, girl, you're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. I'm going to say, tongues. Because I'm going on. I say, I don't want to whisper in my ears and say, I tell them nice. I say, tongues. You know, so that's what the boy left me. I don't, God, and that's what I get left for that. No, for that you got said. No, man, I'm not going to answer that. The boy cannot tell me something beautiful, I'm just say tongues. That's what I get left. Man, ask Christ. Don't God. I know that. Thank you, Jesus. I'm going to say some of the boy. I'm going to say never me. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so me no business. More than the kiss up on some me no business where one lead to. More want to kiss up right through. Me no business. Right about now, I just follow Stack Ashley. I'm so young, just a girl having fun. Oh. I try to people don't follow me. No, for true, I do make them don't follow me. But you know, them think I chew me at all. No, it's so because for myself. It's so because for myself. I tell you, behave yourself in a local girl. Behave yourself. And what you know. What you know. I know. NBS people. Boy, I'm not telling you now. I miss the local collabs that we used to do, you know. With Jamaicans, YouTubers. You know, they might go out with themselves. And I don't have much time for really take them in, but they might go out with themselves. Like, they might put in the work. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. I'm not head on time. But I'm done there, I'm pineapple man. Mom. It's been a while since I talked to any Jamaican YouTubers. I mean, I talked to Abbi, Dead with Laugh recently. You know, not long, I just want to look a question answer. But yeah, I'm not talking to somebody else. Yeah. I say, I don't know. How would I name ya? Spanish. What kind of name this? Spanish. Oh, you pronounce it. You pronounce it right? Spanish. Spanish. I say you didn't pronounce. I know son done. I can't. And every time I was son done. Your girl I don't want. If I say you didn't pronounce, I don't want. I want when I find a man. I grab myself where did they? How long look youth? But that's why I got man looking like, where did they how long look youth? Eh? You never did much over stress for that, but you, where did they? I also want to talk to him. Him probably run for me when I start that. Yeah. Spanish. That's glad that first person name that unique. You're the first person I know with that name there. Spanish. Yes. Alright. Girl, your name unique. I first me hear about that name there. You're unique, girl. But yeah, guys. Yeah. Yeah, man. So that's the so come up for this girl let me. One man supposed to look for me soon, you know? No, for true, one man supposed to come and look for me soon. And it's about alive. Before I get ready for the man, I want some sexy put on and some there I talk to Uno. Don't necessarily know when I get no man tonight. No, I want to come here, no, for the man that you know. I don't see some man already. And look at man who come look for me now. I know what I'm say, because I know what they attack to me. No man, I'm not like that. I don't know what I'm get. What them call it? Some. Why them call it some? I know what I'm get something. Yeah man guys, I'm gonna do enough story time also. But you have to just give me time. I'm gonna do a lot of things, but as I say, time do this shit. So timing. And yeah, I'm a worker for my timing when it comes on to certain topics. So certain topics, I'm gonna touch at a certain time when I feel is right. Yeah? Yeah. So because I'm missing it so much, I'm say, alright then I'm gonna drop my content phone, I have to come live. I would come live in bed, the mother so do you know, I would come. God know I would come. I'm gonna make some TikTok also, so I'm gonna go follow my TikTok. Abbi's Madness, but I release them yet, you know. I want my name on TikTok, Abbi's Madness or Abbi Atters. Boy, I don't know people, just remember for like up the live, like up the live. Sorry guys. One thing though, the pineapple I bring up something. Eh? Oh, that Tweety Bird! Hello! Hey, Tweety Bird land. I like that. Tweety Bird, they want that. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so I suggest like some ideas, some skit ideas, and I will bring them to life. You know, so suggest some skits ideas, and I will definitely bring it to life because I like when you suggest things and I go and ask for. Yeah, because other way them feel like some interact with them no more. You know, ask someone, I say, alright, then I can do it, and boops. And I know say, yeah. You know, say, I want to give me the idea, yeah, I'm going to do it. Yeah, man, that's what I like. I like that interaction with me and Uno. Yeah, the boy I feel boring. As I say, outside, I should have there. Outside, I should have there on them eyelash where people think fake, but I'm a real lash them, you know. If a woman go, yeah, them, you wear lash, where you do your lash? I say, lash wear. Lash wear. My nice clean lash, never does that. My real lash, I say, hey, but I'm for sure for my lash, never. Ooh, never for sure. And it's, yeah, guys. Yeah, man, some of the boats. I'm tired, you know, I'm actually tired. As I say, I wait for one man to come back, come look for me. Because I have to get the man tonight. Oh, what's me? I eat my pineapple and so I have to get the man tonight. I think I'm going to start my show. I say I have to get the man in there tonight or not start my show. I say as the man call, I tell him, I got to go. Oh, I don't start my show after I wait so long. No. I forget the man. On one, I forget that man. Call on my phone, so. The life code, tell me if the life code. You still see me? Because I don't know. When I see me? If you don't see what I do. When I see me? If you don't see me, what I do? Because I don't know if you don't see me. Oh, yeah, when I still see me. When you say the island, right? Stop calling me. Goods. Marsha, me a class, stop calling me. When I know you are Charlene. Sure. You said I'm just a call me so often, but as I say, people, as soon as I see the man I call, I'm gone if you know. Oh, them girls can call, them want me not look. But as soon as I see the man I call, I say it was nice talking to you guys. I gotta go. Yeah. Yeah, man. So all of a sudden I kill time for the man step through the door. I'm gonna say, oh, you want it? And then him said that shit, I'm gonna go say, alright then. Yeah. Choo-choo. Only thing I do, I make a choo-choo, something I tell you. You don't believe me? Alright. Anyways, guys, I feel like say me I go come off of this now. I'm really missing now. Like I wish we could have stayed along, but no, the man no come. I do me I make. I do me I make. I do me I make. No man now come. But I feel like some if we could get something to eat now, and after hours, I mean, I eat after 7 hours. Cause me know, the boy don't stress me out and make me lose look weight and so, you know, I don't want to put it down back. So I try my best not to eat after hours. So that's why I'm trying to eat healthy. Like I eat a lot of fruits, but you know, I have to go in now, guys. I end life again. Maybe it's a long time. I don't go find this now. I don't end now. Alright guys, so I think I ate this. It was nice talking to you guys. I miss you know. I'm gonna try and push more content for you as myself you know I post like certain content kit wise, I'll do so. So you can link me on Instagram Abbi and you know me scroll through and you know and you can comment under this and I will go through it. I don't even remember how to work live. I don't even know how to work live. So yeah guys. Like, boy, I don't want to come off because a long time I don't talk to you. But I have to come off though, I'm hungry, I have to go look something to eat and I don't want to eat late. So it was nice talking to you guys. I'm going to try and come on live often. If I don't get for post, I'm going to try and come on live, alright? Love you know. Thanks for always support me regardless of the madness and regardless of the foolishness that I'm going to keep up sometime. I want to know say I just made that and thanks for what are we there? Thanks for accept me and my madness. But you know, so son what's my car call sitting to me no? No, sitting to me with you. When did I say I could have called already a while ago? No. On the door behind me, stay in school. Alright guys. Bye. Oh, there's somebody I tell them bye. I'm gonna know if I end this. Me bumbo. Look at me, I gonna look like idiot now. How do I end a live? Oh my god, I can't end it. Oh my life. Oh, maybe I this. This? Bye guys.